Hey there, it's Sir Fragalot back with another video. Well, this time a friend asked me about file types. More specifically, stuff like .zip and .rar and all that stuff. So I thought I'd make a video about it. Well, I was helping him about download a file, but it turned out to be a .rar, and he didn't know what to do with it. So let's go over the basics. What is .zip and .rar? Well, let's put it this way. Let's say you have 30 pictures. You know, you take a nice trip or something and you have all these great pictures, but you want to send it to your friend over instant message like MSN or Skype or, you know. Instead of sending all 30 pictures one by one, you can just put it in a .zip file and it will make it one file, and then all your friend has to do is extract the file and have all 30 pictures right there. One file sent. How do you do that? Well, let's take a file like, I don't know, this one. All you have to do is just right click, go to send to, and compress zip folders, and it will just compress for you. Now, I didn't do it there because I don't know what the file's yet, but that's all I need to do. That's for zip files. Windows uses the zip files as a standard, and if you're just a basic user, you probably don't need to do more than zip. But let's say you expand the users, or you know, you get some friends who like to get stuff from some places. You know, you might have a .rar file. What's that? It's essentially the same thing as a .zip file, but Windows cannot handle it natively, so you can have to buy some software for it. Well, not buy, but get some software. Now, the software I use for this is called 7-Zip. You go to 7-zip.org, and you download it for Windows. It's Windows only, but if you're watching this, you probably are Windows. You just hit the download button. Chances are you probably have 32-bit Windows. The main features, well, it will unzip any of these. Right here, most of these you're not even going to care about, except for .rar and .zip. And that's what you need to know about those file types. Now, if you happen to see a .tar or .bc2 or any of that stuff in your Windows, do not open them. They are for the Linux operating system. So you should really only be considerate about these three files: .zip, .rar, .7z. If you see any of these, they're good to open on the Windows and they'll work most of the time. If you do see anything else, do not bother unpacking them. So we have a .rar right here. How do you do it with 7-zip? Just right click, go to 7-zip, extract files. You can change the directory here wherever you want, and just click OK, and it will extract for you. And there it is. So just a quick view. If you are using Windows and you want to, you know, put multiple types of one thing into one quick thing, you just put it to a zip. So let's say you have like 30 pictures. You want to send someone, put it in a zip file, send it to them, and they can just extract it. .rar is for more of the technical stuff. I mean, some sites do use .rar, but it's very rare. Unless you go to a place like RabbitShare and get stuff. .7z, that's very rare, but if you set zip, you can open it. If you have any more questions about this, you can just ask me on my YouTube page, or if you know my Skype account or MSN, you can ask me a question there. Thanks for watching.